since I'm moving within the same city and really not that far away, I don't have to put all of my things in boxes because I can take things in my car and they don't have to be completely packed away. So several things that might that aren't fitting in the boxes that I've packed, or that I seem to be like an awkward shape or size, or would make a box really heavy if I added anything else to the box. I'm just keeping out, and I just plan to carry those things over to my new apartment without a box, and maybe put them in a bag or something like that. But anyway, I've been collecting those things on this shelf, and the value in collecting those things all in one space is that a trap that I've fallen into before in a move is that I'll leave a lot of things out. I'll say, oh, this doesn't need a box. Oh, that doesn't need a box. And I'll just keep leaving them out, and I don't realize how many things I'm doing that with. And so when the day of the move comes, it ends up being more of a pain than if I had just gotten a big box. And so this allows me to kind of see the things that I'm planning on moving individually, and again keeps them kind of out of the way of the space, and helps me just have a little bit more of an organized move.